Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2013 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD, trip computer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.